what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we are doing the song. Hold on. We're doing the song Jealousy, Jealousy. It's by Olivia Rodrigo. Alright? So we're gonna get right into it. I'm gonna show you guys how to play the bass, right? But that's gonna be at the end of the video. So I think I'll just put a timestamp so that those of you that are here for the bass tutorial, you can just excuse me, you can just scroll right to that, okay? And then those of you that are here for the beginner player, or like the easy way to play it with chords, the right, I'm gonna show you that also. Anyways, let's get right into it. We have a guitar in standard tuning, kept on fret number 1, okay? And the chords that we are using are as follows. We have A minor, which is open, open, 2, 2, 1, open. Going to C, which is open, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And then we have G major, 3, 2, open, open, 3, 3. So we have A minor to C, and then we play open to second fret on the 3rd string. So A minor, C, and then we go to G. Right, G is 3, 2, open, 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 3. And then we have D, which is open, 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 2, 3, 2. Okay? Now let's play the song. We have so A minor to C, and then G, and then D, C, A minor, C, G, D, C, A minor, C, G, D, C. Now this strumming version that I'm doing is for the beginner player, and how you strum that is down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, 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 right? And if you want to play it for the intermediate and advanced player, you have A minor, and then you have that 3rd string, open, hammer on to the 2nd fret. So C, G, and then you have D, C. So A minor to C, G, D, C. And that's it for the whole song. Your verses, your chorus is going to be the same thing. Now let's get into the bass tutorial, right? So it's pretty much the same thing as I was playing here. But if you're playing it on bass, you want to be able to, you know, slide, because that's how you actually play the bass guitar. It's unfortunate that I don't have one right now, but I'm just going to show you how I would play it actually. So you're sliding from 1st fret to 4th fret. So you have 1, 2 on the 1st fret of the 5th string, right? So on the bass guitar, this would actually be the A string, right? So we have E, A. Would it be? I don't know, man. But however, you just find the pitch and you play it however you think it works. And then you go right beneath this note, so to 4th, and then slide to 4th, and then you go to the string beneath that and play. Sorry. Right. The string right beneath that, fret number 6, slide to 8, right? And then you're back to your 4th fret on the 6th string now, which could be the 4th string on the guitar or on the bass, or the 5th or the 5th or 4th, depending on what guitar you're using, how many strings your bass has. And then you go to, so start over 1 to 4, and then you have 6 to 8 on the 3rd string, right? And then you go to string number 6, or string number, I don't even know, man. Let's actually name them E, E, A, D as they are on this guitar. So on your A string, 1, slide to 4, and then you go to D and go 6 to A, and then you come back to E, right? Play that twice on the 4th fret. This is now A, fret number 6, and you make a slide from 6 to 8, right? So now let's play the song. Oh, so it's not slide to 4, it's actually 6. It's not slide to 8, it's actually slide back to 4. So that's gonna be it for the whole song. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.